जय हो महादेव की जय, जय भोलेनाथ की जय, हर हर महादेव, जय हो Shankar. So ladies and gentlemen, that you are saying, that is the mandap of Mahadev Shankar, the baratis of Mahadev Shankar and Bholenath. You know, the baratis are the demons, baratis are the devils, baratis are the Nandi, and baratis are the Ganas, and baratis are Devtas. Each and every person on this earth, Mother Earth, and in the cosmos, they are the baratis of Mahadev Shankar. There is no bad person. There are Bhairvas, there are the demons, and there are of course the noble saints and rishis and souls. They're all the baratis of Mahadev Shankar, and of course the ghanta, the shank, and then the almonds depicting the four dimensions and the four corners of the cosmos. This is what is Vatuk Bhairav. Vatuk Bhairav, we say it is Bhairav, Vatuk Bhairav of Mahadev Shankar, ready for the ceremony, ready for the auspicious time in the evening of Mahashivratri. Mahashivratri of Mahadev Shankar marrying Ma Parvati. Ma Parvati, the union of Shiv and Shakti, the new union of Shankar and Shakti. That is what is known as Mahashivratri. Thank you, God bless, God bless, God bless. Thank you, God bless. Jai ho Mahadev Shankar ki jai, jai ho Bholenath ki jai, har har Mahadev, har har Mahadev.